Hello students, today we are going to do some more problems of our topic binomial theorem. We did some problems related to infinite series in the previous classes. Now we are going to do one more problem of infinite series. The question is like this: if x equal to 5 by factorial 2 into 3, 5 into 7 by factorial 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 7 into 9 by factorial 4 into 3 cube plus and so on. Then find the value of x square plus 4x. The same problem we did this type of model problems in the previous classes. These problems related to the infinite series. So, what is given according to the question? Given x value x equal to 5 by factorial 2 into 3, 5 into 7 by factorial 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 7 into 9 by factorial 4 into 3 cube and so on. Listen, here in the given series, given all terms are positive, we should use the formula 1 minus y whole power minus p by q, 1 plus p by factorial 1, here y by q plus p into p plus q by factorial 2 y by q whole square and so on. We have taken the formula all terms are positive because in the series given all terms are positive. In the series given in notation as x, that was in the formula we have taken the another notation as y. Understand? Now the series again can be taken as like this. This is in denominator given factorial 2. If factorial 2 is there, according to the formula in numerator 2 factors required. That's why we have to take here divide and every term divide and multiplied by 3 by 3 square. Here also next term divide and multiplied by 3 dividing by 3 cube plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 multiplied by 3 factorial 4 into 3 power 4 and so on. Listen, this can be written as x equal to 3 into 5 by factorial 3 1 by 3 whole square. 3 square can be written as 1 by 3 square. This is second term 3 into 5 into 7 by factorial 3 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by factorial 4 1 by 3 whole power 4 and so on. Here according to the formula the series begin from factorial 2, required p value factorial 1 y by q and 1. This is required to take the complete series according to the formula. So take as like this. That value adding both sides 1 plus 1 required plus p value how much? 3 into y by q value 1 by 3. This is adding left side. The same we are adding right side 1 plus 3 by, this is has no denominator, we can take factorial 1, no problem. 3 by factorial 1, 1 by 3 plus next term 3 into 5 by factorial 2, 1 by 3 square plus 3 into 5 into 7 by factorial 3, 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by factorial 4, 1 by 3 power 4 and so on. We can take the series as like this. Understand? Now comparing with the formula and find the values of PQ as like this. So by comparing with the formula P by factorial 1, 3 by factorial 1, we can get P equal to 3. Next, y by q value 1 by 3. P plus q value second factor is 5. Understand? We can take as like this. Okay? Now this can be P value 3 put here, P value 3 put here, 3 plus q equal to 5, q equal to 5 minus 3, so 2. Okay, that q value put here, y equal to q value to 1 by 3, y equal to 2 by 3. Understand? So we can take the formula as like this, 1 plus 3 by factorial 3, 1 plus 3 by factorial 1 is 3 into 1 by 3, okay, plus x equal to, that value equal to 1 minus y, 1 minus y value 2 by 3 whole power minus p by q minus 3 by 2. Understand? 3 and 3 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 2 plus x equal to, okay, 3 minus 2 how much? 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 by 2. Understand? 2 plus x equals to 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 by 2. This can be taken as like this, 2 plus x equal to 3 power plus 3 by 2. This is squaring on both sides. What will come here? 2 plus x whole square, 3 power 3 by 2 whole square. Square 2 get cancelled. Expanded by a plus b whole square, 2 square 4 plus b square x square 2ab 4x equal to 3 cube 27. This can be taken as x square plus 4x equal to 27 minus 4 x square plus 4x equal to 27 minus 4 is 23. Understand? The next problem. Find the sum to infinite series. Find the sum to infinite terms of the series. The another question is find the sum to infinite terms of the series. Infinite terms of the series at the series as 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 1 by 10 power 6. We are going to do this problem. Understand? Okay? The problem we have to do in the same way as we did in the previous classes. So, in the given series here also, all the terms are positive. Right? So, the solution of this problem, let the given series as like this. Let S equal to given series 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 square 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 1 by 10 power 6 plus and so on. This can be taken as 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by factorial 1 into 1 by 10 square. Next, plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 taken as factorial 2, 1 by 10 power 4 taken as 1 by 10 square whole square. 135 by 1 into 2 into 3 taking as factorial 3, 1 by 10 power 6 can be taken as 1 by 10 square whole cube. Here in the given series, given all terms are positive. That's why we should take the formula as like this. The formula we can take as 1 minus x whole power minus p by q equal to 1 plus p by factorial 1 x by q p into p plus q by factorial 2 x by q whole square. We use this formula. Here in this series, all the terms are positive. How comparing with the formula p by factorial 1, p equal to 1. X by q 1 by 10 square, p into p plus q, p equal to 1, p plus q equal to 3. By comparing with the formula, we can get the values as p equal to 1, x by q equal to 1 by 10 square. So, 1 by 10 square nothing but x by q equal to 1 by 100. Next, p plus q equal to how much? Second factor 3. What is p value here? P value is 1. 1 plus q equal to 3. Q equal to 3 minus 1. This is 2. So, take x by q value. X by q value is 2. 1 by 100. Okay. Now, this can be taken as 2 into 50 is so x equal to how much? 1 by 50. So, all these values substitute in the formula. So, s equal to 1 minus x is 1 by 50 whole power minus p 1 by q 2. This can be taken as 1 minus 1 by 50, 49 by 50 whole power minus 1 by 2. So, this can be taken as, okay, this can be taken as like this. This can be 50 by 49 whole power plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but under root 50 by 49. 1 by 2 means square root. We can take as like this. Before that, one important thing here, s equal to, before we have 7 by 5 also there. Understand? Okay? Here in the question already given as 7 by 5. Already given as 7 by 5. Okay. So, here we should take 7 by 5 product also. Okay. This can be taken as 7 by 5 into 50 can be written as 25 into 2, 5 root 2 by 49 means square root 7. 7, 7 get cancelled. 5, 5 get cancelled. How much came here? Yes, came. Yes. This is our required result. This is the way to find the sum of the series. Understand? This is the method to find the sum of the series. In this way, we have only two formulae are there. If given all the terms are positive, take 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, 1 plus p by factorial 1, x by q, p into p plus q by factorial 2, x by q whole square plus and so on. If given terms positive negative, take the formula as 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. First term 1 is plus, second term minus p by factorial 1 x by q. Third term plus p into p plus q by factorial 2 x by q whole square and so on. In this way, we can find the sum of the series problems. The remaining problems we should do in the next class. Okay? Understand? We can do in the same way as like this all the problems. Okay? Now, the continuation the problems of